Welcome to our first race in Moldova.
At this point my legs don't work anymore. Go with the drone above us at the Ukrainian border. Here's the actual border. Oh wow.
Running 20 kilometers through a vineyard sounds like something you'd joke about over a second glass of wine. But in Moldova, it makes total sense.
Only Moldovans can come up with something like this.
This tiny country squeezed between Romania and Ukraine is one of the world's most underrated wine producers, and we're here to show you that it is totally worth visiting. We've been into running in unusual places lately, including the Sahara Desert, so this felt like the next logical step to take. Let's find out if vineyard trails are tougher than sand and whether chasing wine makes the run feel easier.
Keep on watching to find out, because I really don't know. Let's see.
But first, no run can start without a proper warm-up.
How do you say when the waitress asks you if you want another glass of wine? What's waiting at the end?
A lot of wine. Almost starting time again.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start!
See you in 2 hours.
Look at all these. How do you call these? This?
Owls.
Owls. Look at all these owls running. Make an owl sound.
While we're slowly making our way towards the glass of wine, let me tell you more about the host of this event, Château Purcari, a historic winery founded in 1827 and one of Moldova's most prestigious wineries. The estate is surrounded by 300 hectares of vineyards, and yes, we got to enjoy these incredible views during the run. The owl is the symbol of Purcari's new Nocturne wine, harvested at night to lock in all the freshness and aroma. So naturally, the event launching it had to be a Nocturne Night Run.
700 meters in, still together. Let's see how long we last.
This is a casual Lada passing by.
The next one is a cow passing the street. Uh-oh. We have a roadblock. A roadblock. Serious roadblock. Oh. At every crucial point there's a person in purple, like there, who points us into the right direction. And since we're super close to the Ukrainian border, it's quite relevant, I think. Buonasera. It's beautiful. This is the river that separates Moldova from Ukraine. So behind these trees lies Ukraine. And here we run at the first dike in front of it. Almost 4K in, how do we feel? Of course.
You won't believe it, but I am so cold.
She persuaded me to stay with her this race until she starts walking. That's the deal. Here's the actual border.
That street is a no-no.
Another warning. Slowly sunset is kicking in. And this is turning into a night run. Surely, but very slowly.
You mean this slowly?
No.
Did you bring a wet wipe?
No wet wipes, no toilet paper. We didn't learn a single thing from our last experience. I was shitting my pants.
People signed up on this channel to see travels. All we do is talk about poop.
Poop by running. That's basically our channel.
Kilometers and kilometers of vineyards, all the way until the winery, which is over there. All of it. We'll be drinking tonight from grapes from somewhere around here. Grapes of last year, obviously, because it's not harvesting season yet, right?
You tell me, I don't know, I'm a city boy. 10th kilometer at 6:48. Still under the 7th.
Where's the 8th station?
I don't know. Bueno, Sarah. Drinking Coke for some sugars.
Halfway.
Let's go. It's not lunch. It's not lunch.
Things seemed to be going great until out of nowhere the train turned literally vertical, forcing us to slow down.
Most intense climb so far. Keep on running. Come on. The scenery though. The climb is a leg killer. This is the longest climb I've ever done during a run. And steep as well. Who said Moldova didn't have mountains?
They were wrong. While I climb this hill, let me tell you about Moldova's economy. The country is still highly an agricultural type of economy. You can see everything is filled with grains, fruit, veggies, flours, grains for flour to make bread and to be sort of self-sufficient. It used to be, not anymore. Nowadays, of course, they import a lot of things, but still, you can see here, for example, planted is zucchini, I think, and all around, all types of produce.
I'm really gonna go through a vineyard. Oh well.
Looks like the road is going a bit down. Good. He said, I'm number 8 for women.
Huh?
You 67?
Uh,
There's more men running than women, I guess.
and I'm waiting for you.
So you're...
The adrenaline was high, and just as we thought the hardest part was over, Moldova surprised us with more hills and more new trails.
Huge climb coming up again. And it's steep again as well. People are walking. Oh wow. Now it's not even me anymore along the vineyard, it's where the grapes grow. I'm gonna break my ankles now. What is this?
After running, you need to hydrate. That's what the sign says.
Some solid ground under the feet. Downhill. Are they gonna give us a comfortable homecoming? Not, then there's like the steepest climb around the corner for sure waiting for us. Guarantee it. And we went down and now up again. Holy shit, my legs are dying. The thrill and the excitement of running through a vineyard has left, and I just want to have someone pour wine in my mouth. That's 2K. It's going downhill again now. We can see the lights of the winery and we hear the music already play. We might just finish before it's pitch dark.
Moldova's hills didn't go easy on us, and this run taught us that no matter how many races you've done before, a new place will always surprise you. But one thing was certain.
It's good we stayed together to motivate each other.
Questo blonde dezzare polaria, Chico chiamati missionaria Maria.